Every single business out there needs reputation management, and it's up to you to show them exactly how it works and how it can bring them in more customers to their business. Reputation management is hands down the easiest and the most simple thing that you can get set up for a business if you were starting your very own business starting from scratch today. So right over here over on Google, I am searching for restaurants in Dublin. Now if we go ahead and scroll down, we'll see all of the most highest rated businesses in Dublin City. And now what you'll notice here is all of these restaurants right here really focus on their Google reviews. There is a reason why there's businesses on here with 3,500 reviews, 7,000 reviews. But then if we scroll down on the list, we'll see here there's some businesses with 600 reviews, 700 reviews, 900 reviews. The reason why these other restaurants right here are ranking right at the top of the Google Map pack is because of a number of different things right here. But as you can see, this top one right here has a 4.5 star rating with 4,500 reviews. Whereas the next one down has a 4.7 star rating with 1,200 reviews. The next one down has a 4.4 star rating with 3,500 reviews. It is obvious that the businesses that really focus on getting a bunch of reviews in, but being able to keep out all of the negative reviews, this is exactly why Google has recommended me these restaurants instead of a business that doesn't focus on this. So by now you're probably wondered how you're able to come in here and actually be able to fix this for a business. So if we head over to HighLevel, and if you've never heard of HighLevel, I have a bunch of other videos on my channel. HighLevel is an all-in-one marketing and sales platform where we're able to just take everything, implement it for a business, implement it for our clients, help them with all of their marketing while making them and also us a bunch of money in the back end. Reputation management is by far the most simple thing that you can implement for any of these clients. It takes less than 5 minutes. And by the way, a number of weeks ago, HighLevel actually reached out to me and we did a full 1 hour masterclass with the HighLevel team breaking down exactly how this works, how you can implement it for a business, and how you can make money by selling it to clients. That was a live video on YouTube and it's actually uploaded on their channel right now, so I'll leave a link for that down below. What we want to do inside of HighLevel is head over to sites and then funnels, and do not worry, this is very, very simple to set up. I actually give this out to all of my affiliates, so I do have a completely free step-by-step course down below that shows you absolutely everything here in way more detail, exactly step-by-step how you can get it all set up for your clients. So if you do want access to that completely free step-by-step course, click on that first link down below in the description or in the pinned comment. As you can see, we have this simple landing page up and running, and what we're able to do is we're able to, change out all of the logos, change out all of the text. This right here is a template that I pretty much provide to you so that you can use this for your clients. So what actually happens here is we would reach out to a business, and it doesn't need to be restaurants. It works specifically well also for hotels, gyms, barbershops, real estate agents, you name it. Any industry out there can use this feature. You reach out to them, you tell them you can get them a bunch more positive Google reviews, but completely hiding and internalizing those negative reviews. You sell this to them for between 100 and 300 euros or pounds or dollars every single month. They see the negative reviews going internal to the business owner and they're happy to pay for it every single month. So just breaking down exactly how this works, once we've implemented this inside of our client's account, there is a form on here, and this form right here is for your client's customers. So the people at the restaurant or the people staying at the hotel, they would fill out this form right here with their details. They put their name, their email, and their phone number. It then takes them to this page right here, and as you can see, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 stars. If a customer clicks either 4 or 5 stars, this pop-up right here comes up. There's Google, there's TripAdvisor. You can remove TripAdvisor, you could add on Booking.com, you could add on Yelp. This is completely customizable and you can implement this on whatever platform your client wishes to use. So click on that, they can go ahead and leave their positive review on any of these platforms. But here's where the magic happens. If instead a customer has a bad experience, the food wasn't that nice, or the room wasn't that clean, or the receptionist was in a bad mood that day, instead if they click either 1, 2, or 3 stars, it takes them to this internal feedback form right here. And this is a chance for them to pretty much get everything off their chest. They can leave their negative review. They can say the food was bad. They can say the room wasn't that clean. They leave their name, their email, and their message. In the message, that's where they leave that negative review. And instead of this going public on Google or on TripAdvisor or on Yelp or on any of these other platforms, we have a simple automation set up in the back end, which by the way, you also do get access to for completely free. Just check out that free course down below. We send an internal email notification to our client, being, the owner of the restaurant or the owner of the hotel. And this is where that review will be. So it has their name, it has their email, it has their phone number. It also has that message right there. So that message will populate inside of the email. This then gives your client opportunity to reach out to this person. So whatever negative experience they had, they could reach out and say, listen, to make things right, we don't want our customers to have a negative experience. So come back in, we'll give you a free glass of wine, or give you a free meal, or a discount, or a free hotel stay. And that simple gesture is enough to get that person back in, have a great experience, and then go ahead and leave a positive review after that. This right here works for every single type of industry out there. And it's also exactly how I scaled my software business from 0 to 10K months consistently every single month. It's also how all of these students right here that I'm going to show on the screen are going from complete beginners to their first $5,000 months, $10,000 months in as quick as time possible, all from my free program. So if you do want access to that completely free step-by-step course that shows you absolutely everything in more detail, how to get all of this set up for completely free, how to set all of this up for clients, all my email templates, all my website templates, all my scripts, absolutely everything, I do not hold back in this. If you do want access to that, click on that first link down below in the description, or check out that pinned comment. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video, and we'll see you in the next one.